What's up, everybody, and welcome back to our channel. It's Lex.
And Cass.
And Timothy.
And Cass.
And me. I know, I took a bite. And we are eating dinner. So we decided to do a would you rather, your big long legs, a would you rather mukbang. Eating dinner with our kids. Yep.
Yeah, you.
And you, yes, baby. And
Bro, yeah.
Yep. Mommy, bro, me. Cash. So, yeah. We're just gonna do a would you rather.
Yep.
It was last minute, so I posted this online, so we didn't get a lot of would you rather questions from people, so we're just gonna do it ourselves. Yeah.
Okay.
You want to start, Timothy?
You know how to play?
Mm-hmm. But you guys told me.
You want me to start?
Mm-hmm.
Timothy, would you rather jump out of an airplane or give up your birthday for the rest of your life?
Give it my birthday.
Really?
Really?
I'm gonna die either way. Well, I'm gonna die if I get out of an airplane.
No, we have a parachute.
Or the skydiving. Okay, skydive.
Don't think too literal. My goodness.
You give up your birthday for
I don't wanna die.
skydiving?
No, if I was literally just jumping out of an airplane.
That's gotta be mild sauce.
Airplane.
That's not barbecue.
I'd rather not give up my birthday.
No.
We all wanted chicken tenders, so we all got chicken tenders and fries. Cash got pizza, and he loves pizza, but then when he sees someone else with food, he wants to eat their food. So that's what's going on here.
Would you rather it be hot all the time or cold all the time? Both of you. I'd rather it be hot.
Hot.
No.
When we move, we're moving someplace warm. Not hot all the time, but no cold, no rain.
So basically Florida.
No, I'm here.
Well, oh.
Would you rather? We gotta do this without our kids.
And there's some questions. If you want to look at them.
Would you rather not be able to read or not be able to speak?
Easy.
Not be able to read. What about you?
I'll be able to read. Wow. Still got second language. Just have to learn it from my book.
What about you, babe?
Not be able to read.
What about you, Cash? Yeah.
Yeah, so. What? Timothy,
What?
would you rather get slapped in the mouth real hard or in the back of your head really hard? Someone wrote that. And their name is Potatoes, too. Someone really wrote that.
What?
Hey, that's my apple juice.
What the heck? Mouth.
Not me.
What?
Well, I don't know, actually.
Your neck's gonna get hurt.
If you get hit in the head the wrong way. How are mine all gone?
But you also ate them, babe. Wait, you haven't eaten your food. Cashapp probably took a bite.
messed up.
She's over here eating her food. How's my food all gone?
You're messed up.
Okay.
What else?
Would you rather have the ability to see 10 minutes into the future or 150 years into the future?
Me.
Well, I was gonna say I'm gonna be dead, but actually, probably 150 years. So I know what my son's future is gonna look like.
I know, but what about the car accident?
Oh, yeah.
But you'll be prepared for it. Big brain.
We wouldn't have done it if we knew that was coming.
If you pick 150 years, then you'll be able to be prepared.
Yeah.
For pick 150 years.
I don't know, babe. How many minutes was it?
10.
You just made a good point. I think actually 10.
Daddy.
So I know if I'm ever passed away.
Well, you are gonna.
Hey!
Wait, within the 150 years, will you be able to see everything before it too? If you can, then yeah, I'll pick that. It's easy.
You could have some money. Well, second.
Would you rather be able to not stop dancing or not stop singing?
Singing.
You love singing.
So I would rather. I don't want to stop singing.
I don't know. I guess
Well, dancing because you can't talk when you're singing.
you'd rather not be able to stop dancing or not stop singing.
Think about it. You can't speak. So, oh yeah, hey, you wanna go to the park later after school? Oh yeah, dancing.
Yeah. Dancing.
At least you'll be able to talk. So what if your friends think you're weird?
Yeah, you would rather be able to. Yeah.
It's really, would you rather be able to talk or not talk?
Would you rather die in a fire
You just took mine.
or drowning?
Not fire.
Fire.
I know, but you'd rather die in all that water?
I don't know.
It's horrible.
Just imagine how hurt that hurts.
No,
Probably pass you out after a while.
fire because really, if you just step into it for a second, you're dead.
No, you're not.
No, you're not.
How long does it take?
I mean, I don't know, but I don't know. People have been made it out of fires.
With thousands of burns.
Right.
Because they didn't die.
I don't know.
Alright, hold on. What was it? Would you rather be poor with lots of good friends or rich with no friends?
I'd rather be rich because I'm sick of living the other way.
I'm just sick of living the other way. What? You sick of living what way, girl?
Not rich.
Poor?
That means no cash. Or
She
cash.
ain't my
Or
friend.
Tim.
You're not my friend.
Yes, we are!
No, we're not. This is my girlfriend. My wife.
That's right.
Family.
You're my son. But, I'd rather be... I don't know. I don't want to be selfish.
Babe,
I'd rather be rich.
I'm being selfish.
She
Look
said,
where not being selfish gets us.
She said, babe, I'm being selfish. Would you rather live a short life and be rich or have a long life and be poor?
Long life and be bored.
I'd rather a long life and be poor.
Can I try, bro? Come sit next to bro.
How about you go sit near your food? French fry?
Would you rather have a 2-bedroom apartment in a big city of your choosing or a mansion in the countryside in the state or country where you currently live?
Isn't that easy?
2-bedroom apartment.
Yeah.
You want a mansion here? I just realized.
No.
A mansion here because mansion comes with butlers, and then when people show up, the butlers can just say,
And it still
"Get out of
comes
my
with
lawn."
the a-holes on the bus.
The a-holes on the bus.
Longer bus ride. Still living in this city. Don't think too far into it.
Says the one, and you still having a ride with the a-holes on the bus.
Mom?
Would you rather eat a cockroach
Oh,
or eat your own boogers for a week?
boogers. Cockroaches suck.
He says, I do that every night.
No.
I say boogers. Would you rather control space or time? Time. What I would have did the other night was back to Connecticut we are.
So, yeah.
But then we're sleeping.
Or I would have home we are.
Would you rather be invisible or the superpower?
Why are you not eating?
Or be able to fly? Ow!
Invisible, because then people are going to say, "Stop hitting yourself, stop hitting yourself, stop hitting yourself." Then they can't really hit. And then you don't have to do your chores because your parents can't
Are
find
you
you.
gonna eat your chicken or are we?
When you ask me a question, I can't eat, so I don't want to have it in my mouth. And I'm like,
Yeah. You don't want to eat with your mouth open like me. Talking to me.
Would you rather cash be stranded on an island with nothing,
Jesus.
or go to jail, or be stranded on an island with nothing for a week, or go to jail for a month?
you know what they said? No water or food for a week. Bye bye, we geek.
What? What did you just say?
Bye bye, we geek.
What the heck? Where'd you hear that?
Go. Bye bye, we go.
You want me to guess? Xbox? I meant
No, me.
Hey.
At least you actually get food. But
So
then
what are you picking?
We have water, so stranded. You have ocean water.
Yeah, but you can't
I'd rather go jail.
dehydrate, so you can't drink salt water.
I drink it every time I go to the ocean.
You're not living off that.
You can't just take a thing like that and just drink it. Would you rather be rich but not happy, or poor and happy?
Rich.
What?
I'm changing all my answers after the way we've been living and being all.
The thing is, we're already poor,
You'd rather
but
not
we're
be
happy.
Baby, you gotta stop hitting the table.
You'd rather not be happy?
I'll be happy.
No, poor. Because we're already poor and happy. We're already poor and happy.
Guys,
I'm
stop
with you.
talking over each other. I'm like, how are you gonna take my chicken and leave the
We're already-
crust?
So technically, the first answer is what we already
Daddy,
are.
stop it.
Alright, y'all.
You should have ate, because now you ain't got no honey mustard.
I think that's enough.
Yeah, because it's kids.
And we gotta get ready to go to Walmart.
The next one will be without kids. Because I want to do that with you.
No, without Cassius.
No.
I
No.
want to do one.
Yeah, we're
we need
doing
to
it right now.
We need to do one without
We
you.
need to get our channel back.
We need to just do one without you kids. Some questions you can't be around.
Yeah, I got nothing to ask you, because the kids are here.
Alright, y'all. Make sure you subscribe to the family. We love y'all. And we'll be back.
Would you rather be rich for a lifetime? Or cheat on me one time?
Rich for a lifetime, bro. I ain't never wanted to cheat on you.
Wait, I must have said that wrong.
Yeah, you did.
What do
You
you
did.
mean? What?
Cheat on me and be rich for a lifetime.
Cheat on you and be rich for a lifetime?
Cheat on me one time.
Girl, you just gonna have to take one for the team is what you're gonna have to do on that one. Alright, y'all. Bye!
Over and out.
Bye-bye!
Wow.
Yeah, Walmart. And it's cold.
What about that warm weather in Florida?
I know, I hate it here. I hate it here. Look at my boy. And then look at my woman. She's so fine. She fine as life. And then my little boy. What? Aggie? Aggie? Why do you think every time you come here you can get an Aggie? What's wrong, Timbo?
What?
We're gonna go look at a bike with Timbo.
Now.
Don't worry.
We gotta get flea and tick stuff for bro's cat.
You brought your wallet, baby? Wow.
I don't think I have time for them.
Are you serious?
I don't have money.
I'm just kidding.
And you do got money.
You got mad money,
Not
boy.
here. I
But
don't bring it.
no, you ain't gotta pay for it, baby. She kidding.
Over
Why you always doing him like that?
Bad girl.
Tapeworm, deworm.
What's so special about it?
One of them were just down.
You can do them.
Or not.
We need to get a toothbrush like
Why you want it so bad? Let me see. And you just got your new bike. Like
size fits all, baby.
I said to this kid, I said, is there something small that you would like, Timothy? And he says, well, there's a scooter on my list.
Oh my gosh.
You want a dinosaur?
That's only $1.
Do not mess with them Xbox cards. Okay. Black car.
Blue's clues.
It walks.
Blue's clues.
Oh, well then.
He's found some toys too.
Took Timothy over here by the games. He ain't into toys or anything like that, so we're just gonna see if he wants anything. Off to find mommy. Timothy got a game. Sniper or something. There's 2, but he's gonna get the first one, and then if he likes the first one, he'll get the second one. But now we gotta find his mom. I just want freaking nut butters. I don't want wafers. I want nut butters. I get these instead. Oh.
Okay.
Yeah, what's that?
Come back here.
Yes! Your mother's calling. Alexis? Hey, Alexis. Your mother's calling. And she's saying, let's go. That is cool. Hey, come on, Vene!
Are you fucking kidding me, bro?
Vente, come on.
A large?
Vene, Vene,
Make
Vene.
that face or I'm gonna take a picture of you.
Vene.
That face.
We are home now. We're gonna end this video, get the kids to bed, and snuggle up.
Yeah, what she said.
Okay, Laura.
Wait.
Alright, yeah. I love you.